Are you struggling with coding, disturbed by algorithms, or just want to understand Python, machine learning, and AI? So, you are at the right place. Hi, I am Syed Jawad, a final year student of computer science from Pakistan with 3 years of teaching experience. I teach all level of students from curious kids, beginners to advanced level students. My teaching style is friendly and supportive, making things and concepts easy and simple for students. Are you thinking computer science is a hard subject? So the answer is no. It's very easy and full of fun. Now coming towards what I teach. For beginners and kids, I teach computer fundamentals, programming basics, block-based coding for kids, C++, and Python for beginners, with web basics, HTML, and CSS. For academic students, I help them in understanding important concepts like data structure and algorithm, computer architecture, database management system, etc. Lastly, for advanced level students, I help them in learning artificial intelligence, machine learning, MATLAB image processing, and other important concepts like information security, advanced database management system, along with preparing them for computer entry exams of colleges and universities. Now question arises, why you should choose me? Well, with over 3 years of teaching students of different levels, I make learning simple, easy and enjoyable. Students' goals are top priority for me. I will guide you step by step, track your progress so you can see real growth in studies. My goal is not just to teach you, but to help you in building strong technical skills. Let's make learning computer science simple, easy, and enjoyable. Book a trial lesson and start learning now. See you in class. Thank you.